Hey man, good to catch your live 3.6 Charger. 2016 with almost 90K. My first tackle would like to be the radiator and heater hose, water pump, and stay. Was thinking of getting an aftermarket thermostat from RIPP. If you're asking me my opinion on RIPP product, I have no opinion because I have never used such part. Okay, so how much is the price difference? I mean, is there a big, huge price difference between OEM and RIPP, or is RIPP have the reputation for being better parts? I don't know if you can get better than OEM. Is that possible? Can an aftermarket company make a better car part design for the car maker's car better than the car maker's company make them? Is that even possible? I don't know. In other words, do RIPP make a better thermostat than OEM Mopar? Is what I'm trying to say. I don't even know if that's possible, but I assume there's a price difference why people would flock to anything other than Mopar or OEM. If it's a Ford, Motorcraft, you know. So, but I don't have an opinion on anything from RIPP because I've never. I'm forced to get OEM parts. But what are you saying? My first tackle would like to be. You would like it to be, or do you actually have a problem? Now, all three of these things you mentioned, radiator, heater hose, and water pump, are extremely easy, guys. So if you have problems with those, you're going to have fun doing it. It's no big deal at all. Water pump on a 3.6 Pentastar engine is extremely easy. So easy, I don't even think I have a video out because it probably wouldn't get no plays. People are like, man, it's easy, man. You waste your time making a video on this. But yeah, I make videos when I do the job, okay? So naturally, right? How would I make one if I'm not doing the job? So I have to be in the present mindset while I'm doing the job to go ahead and whip out a camera and film it. And y'all know I'm not set up to do tutorial videos. I have to remind people of this all the time. Some people expect every procedure step by step. Okay, I'm not set up that way.